Surya Datta National Award 2010, Shri Sanjay Pugalia. For excellence in the field of broadcast journalism. In recognition of his remarkable contribution to the field of journalism through anchoring, redefining news coverage by ushering consumer-centric news in prime-time shows, his gamut spread across national media houses. Surya Datta National Awards 2010.
मंजिल है सूरज हमारी, लक्ष्य हमारा.
Excellence in Broadcast and Journalism, the Surya Datta National Award 2010 for Excellence in Broadcast and Journalism, Shri Sanjay Pugalia ji. जरा जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Shri Sanjay Pugalia is known for his insights in business and politics news. Well, life has been an interesting dash for him. An arduous yet thrilling journey into the business of news was definitely not a roller coaster ride for him. But well, because of his years of experience, a long career, Shri Pugalia ji has always been lured to do something different. For example, utilizing his skills to cover Indian stock market boom, or like shaping the political reporting. Each time he proved his excellent abilities to win over wherever he went. You know, friends, as a teenager, he was influenced by these student moments. He had a knack of cutting through the hearts of things, which has led him to dazzling professional heights that he is in today. He is the people's person. He once said, "I'm not a rolling stone, but it is the desire to do something different that keeps me going on." और इन जनाब के लिए शायद हम यही कह सकते हैं कि भाई मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. सिर्फ पंख से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है.
Shri Sanjay Pugalia is a remarkable journalist who proved his far-sighted prowess equally admirable with both the print and electronic media. He redefined news coverage by ushering consumer-centric news in prime-time shows. His gamut spread across several media houses. Sanjay Pugalia began his career with leading Hindi daily Navbharat Times in 1982. As a young correspondent, he filed a number of investigative reports involving big corporate houses between 1986 to 91. He has the distinction of being the youngest special correspondent in the Times Group. Pugalia's appointment as associative executive producer with newly launched Hindi television show Aaj Tak in 1996 came to the most demanding break of his life. The challenge brought out the best in him, reporting this with consummate ease on diverse issues from Kargil War to WTO negotiation in Seattle. His live anchoring of election programs made him one of the leading lights of Indian television. Thank you.
की प्यास बुझाने का है ये जुनून, हम चले सूरज की ओर. निकल पड़े हैं ठान के मन में, छूने लक्ष्य हमारा.